Welcome to Montezuma Castle, one of Arizona's most iconic cliffside wonders. Located south of Sedona, this ancient Sinagua cliff dwelling rises 5 stories into a limestone alcove. It's pretty much a 900-year-old apartment building with 20 rooms. You can no longer climb the ladders or go inside the dwelling. That part was closed in 1951 to protect the structure from damage. The castle gets about 50,000 visitors per year. Don't worry, you still get fantastic views from the ground. The short and easy paved path makes it suitable for all ages. Beaver Creek flows past the monument and was essential to providing a year-round water source which supported farming and everyday life. The trail is a paved 1/3 mile loop through a tranquil sycamore grove and past the ancient cliff dwellings. Open daily 8 to 5, this makes for a great stop on the way from Phoenix to Flagstaff. Hit subscribe for more Arizona adventures.